Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one-sample trinomial test using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. This add-in is available from my GitHub account. You can see the link over here. And once you downloaded that add-in file, then open Excel, don't open the file. Go for File, Options, Add-ins and click on Go. Then browse to the file and just open it and install it. That should give you access to all my additional functions. In this video I'll show you how you can simply perform the test. It's a test that could be used as an alternative to a one-sample Wilcoxon signed rank test or a one-sample sign test to test for a specific median. The difference here is that this also includes the values that were tied with the hypothesized median. The function of interest is TS, test, trinomial, and then OS for one sample. It takes as input the data, let me zoom in a little bit for you, which should be a vertical range specified, so do not select the entire column, but really specify A2, tail, and then whatever the range you want. There's also an option to specify levels that will be useful in case, for example, in column B I have ordinal data but it's not numerical. You can specify the hypothesized median, but you can also leave it blank and then it will simply assume that you want the mid-range, which is the minimum plus the maximum and then divided by 2. I can simply fill out now the formula. So here I've done this for the numerical data. And it will actually return a small little table, 2 rows by 6 columns, showing the hypothesized median used, the number of positive scores, the number of negative scores that were below this median, the numbers that were tied, the p-value, and which test was the test that was used. There's also, as you can see, the option to use it with non-numerical data, but then you specify the levels in order, in my case, from fully disagree to fully agree. And it gives the same result, of course. In this case, the value is below, the p-value is below 0.05, so usually we would say then it's a significant result, so the true median in the population is most likely different from 3. Alright, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.